Betty's heart raced as she stood before the heavy, creaking door of the workshop. It was Saturday morning, and she knew what she had to do. The workshop had to be cleared out, its contents sold off for much-needed money left behind by her late husband. However, what Betty discovered that morning would completely alter her perception of her husband's life and their marriage. 2 weeks after her husband's passing, Betty finally mustered the courage to enter the workshop. Yet, something seemed amiss. Dust covered everything except for a spot near the workbench. It was clear that something had been moved recently. But hey, before we dive into the story, do yourself a favor and pause the video right now. Go hit that like button and let's see if we can make this video reach 1,000 likes. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to your favorite story channel. Also, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and weirdest stories. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming your way. Now sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we take you on an unforgettable ride. Don't forget to engage with us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Assisted by her son, Mike, Betty shifted the bench, revealing a trapdoor beneath it. As memories of her husband flooded her mind, Betty recalled how he spent countless hours in the workshop tinkering with old machines after retiring. With determination, Betty resolved to clear out the workshop, unaware of the secrets it held. She enlisted the help of a local lockpick to access the locked shed. Inside, she found the workshop disorganized, dustier than expected. Betty's curiosity piqued when she discovered a black bag in the glove box of her late husband's car. Upon opening it, she was astounded to find neat stacks of $100 bills and multiple sets of keys with fake identities attached. Feeling bewildered and betrayed, Betty couldn't comprehend her husband's hidden life. However, the discovery of the bag led Mike to explore further. Together, they uncovered a hidden safe behind a painting in an abandoned house. Inside the safe, they found a letter from Betty's husband revealing his involvement in criminal activities to provide for their family. Despite the shock, Betty and Mike decided to honor his wishes and use the money to secure their future. As they gazed upon the painting, Betty realized that despite the secrets, her husband had wanted them to be happy and secure. With a newfound sense of understanding, Betty and Mike embarked on a journey to enjoy the unexpected legacy left behind by Wilbert, cherishing the painting as a symbol of their enduring love and resilience.